Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and I welcome you to Islamabad Aeromodelling Club in F9 Park. It's one of the biggest parks in Asia. I believe it still is. Check this out. The scenery is so beautiful here for this aeromodeling club, for the runway, that sometimes from the eyes of the camera, when people are flying planes, it looks like it is a flight simulator. It definitely is not. It is real right here. Check this out. Don't fly very soon, hold on. I actually did not know the field still existed. I remember in 1990s, I came to F9 Park once. I was a young boy and I saw some foreigners flying RC aircraft, nitro and gasoline RC aircraft, and I was really impressed. I didn't know that in the future I will be involved in this hobby that deep. Now after so many years, like decades, it's like after 2 decades, when I come to F9 Parks, somebody gave me a pin after watching my Facebook that I'm in Pakistan. My follower, he gave me a pin. I followed the pin. I came over and I was like, is that the entrance? The entrance is pretty scary because there's like an abandoned place and you will feel like, hey, is this the right place or not? Just keep going, follow the road, and you will end up in this beautiful RC airport, the Islamabad Aeromodelling Club. Check this out. Now more people have come here. Everybody is having fun. This is a perfect place. I mean, you bring the family with you, bring the family along with you. You have a picnic.
There are people who can photobomb the video. Yes. Hey Ali.
He's one of my oldest follower here, Mr. Kashif Malik. Very nice to meet you here. He learned to fly helicopter.
And we're always here to photobomb your video. So come over and be made.
I don't mind. Do more photo. Could you dance in the background when I'm doing that? Thank you very much, Kashif. So yes, check this out. I mean, you bring the family along with you. The family can enjoy the picnic. Like my kids are enjoying here. They were driving the crawlers. And that's it. I mean, you fly your RC aircraft. You can have lots of fun here. The membership here is not so expensive. It's very affordable. And you have access to this beautiful large field. Now this was the view from my camera that is in my hand. Check this out, the view from the camera from the eye of the FPV Cine. We are on the chairlift right here in Murray Patriata. Check out the beautiful views. There's a local eagles. What a beautiful bird it is, man.